Okay, in this short demo, I'm going to demonstrate how to export a selected group of pictures to an external drive, um, as well as renaming them and resizing them to a smaller resolution so they can be easily emailed or whatever you want to do. I'm using Lightroom Classic. So I'm here in the library module, and I'm going to select these few pictures that I took, and I want to export them onto an external, copy them onto an external drive. So first thing I'll do, I'll select one, and then like in Windows you always do, go down to the last one I want to select and hold Shift key down and select it. So now these 9 pictures have been selected. Okay, then I'm simply going to go down, and by the way, I'm going to get rid of my camera here, right there. There we go. So we can see everything on the screen and not me. Whoops, wait a minute. Oh, yeah, that's true. Okay, sorry. All right, so we're going to go down here and we want to export. So I click on export. I bring up this somewhat complicated dialog, but it's very simple. First thing I want to do is I'm going to export it to a specific folder. And over here, I'm going to click choose, and I'm going to navigate onto my PC what external drive and folder I want to put it in. So what I'm going to do in my demonstration here, I'll pick um, I'll pick USB drive J. Let's see if that one's got something in it. No, wrong one. Oh, I know what it is. Excuse me. I got a external drive I. Okay. And I'm going to um, make a new folder in it for these pictures. And I'm going to call the new folder Lightroom Classic Export Demo. Now, if you didn't want to do that, then you could just put them onto the drive itself. But I'm going to put them in this folder. Okay, so um, now I'm going to go here. Oh, hang on. I got a problem. I picked the wrong drive here. Let me back up a bit. I'll probably edit that out. Okay, we're going to put them into a folder on my D drive, but this could be an external drive, okay? So I'm going to put them on the D drive, and they're going to go into a particular folder on my D drive. I'm just navigating to my D drive now, and I'm going to put them into something here. All this is just unique to my system, just kind of ignore this. All I'm doing is identifying where I want these pictures to be copied to. And I'm going to put them into a particular folder there. Let's see, here, miscellaneous exports. Okay, and I'm just going to put them loosely in that. It won't get any more complicated than that. So I'm going to select this folder. Okay, so now I'm going to put them into this folder. If I wanted to put them into a subfolder of this one, I could do that here and name that subfolder. Okay, and if I wanted them to be added back into the catalog, I could do that here. You won't need to worry about that. This is okay. Now, I am going to rename these. And there's various options I can do. How I rename them. We'll go over here with my thing, and I could either a custom name. I could do a custom name, but plus the original file number. And I think I'm going to choose that one. Let me show you why that might work for you. Okay, so now what is my custom name? In your case, you might want to call it family because this is why you're doing all this. And notice right below here, after you type family, after you've chosen that, type family as your custom text. This is going to be the original file number of that picture. So you know which one you actually exported after they're on your external drive. Okay, image format. I'm going to make a JPEG. These were starting off as raw images. Now they're going to be converted to JPEG. You would keep this the same. Won't worry about that. And sometimes I have to look around for it. All these things you just keep as is. Okay, here, image sizing. This is where you're going to get them down. You want the long edge to either be 1400 if all you're going to do is put them into, have the people look at them on their computer. 1400 will be fine. Or you could use 2800 if you wanted them to be able to print a small 4x6. 2800 pixels on the largest size would, on the longest edge, would work that. You could just keep the resolution there. Now, last thing to do is click Export. Up here in the upper left-hand corner of Lightroom, you'll start to see it tick off as it's exporting these 9 images. Won't take too long. Okay, they've been exported. Now let's go see where they're at. So we'll minimize Lightroom here. We'll go down to Windows Explorer, and we'll go to that same folder, which is on my D drive. In this folder up here, miscellaneous upload, exports. And right here, those are those 9 pictures. Notice family 2261, blah, 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 blah. Now I'm going to right click on one, take a look at its size. Or actually I'll do this. That's that particular picture. And I'm looking at just the, the Photos app on Windows, no program here necessarily. Let's see, where do I want to see information? Sorry. Sorry for the delay here. Okay. Right now, as you can see, this particular image is 2800 on its longest side, like we set up. It's a portrait, so it was high. And it is 3.3 megabytes. So that is far less than the raw image that you have. Okay, cancel. So now we've done it. They're on wherever you told them to go. They're in a reasonable size that can be opened. So I'm going to stop the video here.